Hello guys and welcome to How Logical. In this tutorial, we'll see whether we can make Messenger our default SMS application or not. Let's tune on. Going to the official Facebook page Help Center, we can see something like this. SMS is no longer available on Messenger. For Android, let's see the Android help. As early as September 28, 2023, SMS messages will no longer be available when you update your Messenger app. So guys, we cannot use Messenger as our default SMS app. Sorry for that news, but we cannot use that. You can still use Messenger to chat with your friends. Hope you liked the video. For more informative content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.